Wheat, a staple crop, is at the heart of India's agricultural landscape, sustaining both the economy and food security. In this video, we will explore how India's unique geographical and economic factors make it a major producer of wheat and the key regions that drive this success. Wheat cultivation in India is influenced by a combination of natural and economic factors. Let's take a closer look at the geographical conditions first. Wheat thrives in a moderate climate, with temperatures ranging between 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. This allows the crop to grow under ideal conditions for most of the year. During the grain filling stage, wheat requires a cool, dry environment to reach its full potential. This is crucial for ensuring high yield and quality. The soil plays a key role in wheat cultivation. Alluvial, loamy, and black soils are perfect for wheat as they offer good drainage and fertility, providing the nutrients the crop needs to grow strong. Wheat is best suited to flat plains and low hills, where mechanized farming is possible, boosting efficiency and productivity. Wheat needs about 50 to 75 centimeters of rainfall, but in dry regions, irrigation becomes essential. Water availability is often supplemented by extensive irrigation systems like canal networks and tube wells. For optimal growth, wheat requires 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. This ensures that the crop gets the energy it needs for photosynthesis during its growing season. Economic factors such as irrigation facilities are key to successful wheat production in India. Advanced irrigation systems in states like Punjab and Haryana contribute significantly to the high yields seen in these regions. India's agricultural infrastructure, including markets, storage facilities, and transportation networks, helps farmers get their produce to market efficiently, ensuring better access to inputs and outputs. Government policies like the minimum support price, MSP, and subsidies for fertilizers and seeds have been crucial in supporting wheat farmers. These policies ensure stable income and promote continued wheat cultivation. Research and development have also played a huge role. Investment in high-yield wheat varieties with better disease resistance has enabled Indian farmers to improve productivity and adaptability to changing climates. Labor availability is another critical factor. India's vast agricultural workforce, particularly during harvest season, supports the timely collection and processing of wheat crops. Now, let's explore some of the major wheat-producing regions in India. Punjab leads the country in wheat production, thanks to its fertile alluvial soil and an extensive irrigation network. This region boasts some of the highest yields in India. Haryana, similar to Punjab, benefits from advanced farming techniques and extensive irrigation. These factors ensure high productivity, contributing to its status as a top wheat producer. Uttar Pradesh is another major player, known for its diverse climatic conditions and soil types. From traditional to modern farming practices, this state is one of the largest wheat producers in India. Madhya Pradesh has been steadily increasing its contribution to wheat production. Government initiatives in areas like Gwalior and Chambal have boosted wheat yields, making it an emerging hub for the crop. Rajasthan, particularly its western regions, has adapted wheat cultivation through innovative irrigation systems, despite the challenges of its arid landscape. Bihar, with a combination of rain-fed and irrigated rivers, is also making strides in wheat production, with a focus on high-yield varieties. India's wheat cultivation is a blend of favorable geographical conditions, strong economic infrastructure, and government support. From Punjab to Bihar, each region contributes to the country's position as one of the largest wheat producers in the world. The success of wheat farming in India is a testament to the resilience and hard work of the farmers, and the country's commitment to food security and agricultural development. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on agriculture and farming practices in India and around the world.